Let's go ahead with our baking of the cookies. Okay, so I'll just adjust the video for now. Okay. So here I have my, just a second. I think it's clear. Okay, so we have here 25 grams of butter, that's 1/4 cup of room temperature butter. Then we have 25 grams of wheat flour, and this is 25 grams of brown sugar, and we have 25 grams of oats, Quaker oats, and this is 1/4 cup of raisins, and you can avoid if you want, and this is flaxseed, 1 teaspoon, level teaspoon or a half teaspoon of flaxseed soaked in 1.5 tablespoon of water. It's all optional, and it's for in place of egg. Then we have baking soda, that is 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, and we have castor sugar, that is 1/8 cup. So let's start. We're going to mix the butter. Let's beat it. You can use the hand mixer if you want for 3 minutes, or the balloon whisk is also fine. Just make it a little soft, that would do. Since lack of time, I didn't make a dough and keep it in the fridge, so we can do it directly this time. But when you do it, see that you prepare and keep it in the fridge for 20 minutes at least before you roll out. So that's fine, see, and now we're going to add in the brown sugar, the castor sugar, it's a healthy cookie. I'll come every alternate days with a new cookie. This is brown sugar, it's very fine. You don't need to powder it. But the castor sugar, you can just powder it, pulse it at least. So that's enough. Just have a look. Now we'll drop in the oats, Quaker oats, that is 25 grams, and the wheat flour, atta, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda, right? This cookie will be soft inside and crispy at the outer part. When you bake it, then you just open out Flatten a little when it's risen up, and then bake for another 5 minutes. See, now it's looking like sand. Just pour in the flax seed, powdered flax seed. You can avoid that if you don't like the taste. You can add almonds, cashew nut, all the nuts if you prefer. Now we'll use our fingers to make a soft dough. Now we'll drop in the raisins. This is a little soft because it's not, I don't have time to place it in the fridge. Okay, see? I have lined a tray with butter paper so that the bottom part doesn't get burnt. You don't over knead it, right? See? I'll preheat my oven. Preheat for 10 minutes and bake it at 140 degree for 12 to 15 minutes would do. Now make a small ball and flatten it. Just 1/4 inch thickness would do, right? It's a healthy cookie. You can have it for your breakfast or for the evening snack. You can also add in nuts, because it's wheat and oats. It's a sort of vegan. There's no my all-purpose flour added. Yeah, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this cookie with raisins inside. When you avoid the flaxseed, you just don't need to add the baking soda. Flaxseed is to replace egg. So this is eggless cookie. So I made around 5, 6, 7 cookies out of that measurement that I gave you. After the baking, I'll put up the video and the picture of the cookies that has been baked. And so now it's done. Just have a look. Oats raisin cookies. So now we'll place it in the oven and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 140-degree temperature or 180. Every oven, the temperature varies, so you have to check which is the best temperature that you can have on your oven. So when that's done, I will put up the picture tomorrow or day after when I come with another